Okay guys, for those who didn't get anything on the recently video that I posted yesterday, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I got my 45 rand and I managed to withdraw my money as I showed you with the proof. That 71 rand. I didn't deposit to get that money. So I'm sorry if you didn't get anything when you register. I don't know what's wrong with the website. I'm sorry guys. Please, you can forgive me for that. So guys, as you can see, this is another website, guys. This is another website. So if you never made money on that one, it's okay, because here you just you don't need to register. They will just give you a free machine that is going to mine 50 rand in 2 days. They're gonna mine 50 rand in 2 days. So keep it in mind, when you register on this platform, you won't get anything, but after 2 days you're going to have 50 rand on your balance. But it's working like this: when you register, you will need to receive a gift that they're going to give you as a newcomer. They will just give you a machine that is going to mine 25 rand in 2 days. So please keep this in mind. And also, the machine will work for only 2 days. Will work for only 2 days, and then they will take their machine, and then you're left with nothing. So it will work for 2 days. So make sure when you register today, receive your gift that they're going to give you. The gift is going to be that machine that I'm talking about. You're gonna use that machine for 2 days. Keep it in mind, for 2 days, guys. When you register today you're gonna get it, and then you click receive, and then you receive your machine, and it will start working immediately. So when you start to work, it's going to mine 25 rand each and every day. Within that within that 2 days, it's gonna mine like 25 rand a day, and the next day it will mine 25 rand, and that will be 50 rand. I hope you understand. If I didn't explain well, please comment down, but I hope you understand. So you're gonna register. After registering, you're gonna receive your gift. The gift is going to be that machine. So keep it in mind, it's not money that you're gonna get when you register. You won't get anything. You're gonna get like a machine. So that machine will give you 50 rand after 2 days. Keep it in mind, the machine will work for 2 days. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna make a full video about this website, but okay, I'm not okay, it's okay, I'm not going to make another video. Let's just finish this video. I will just finish this video. It's okay. So please, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you're new to my channel. That's because I drop each and every day. So as you can see guys, I'm having 23 rand 67 cent. So let me show you that the machine is still working. So by tomorrow I'll be having 50 rand. And guys, the minimum withdrawal is 60 rand, guys. So imagine if you're gonna make this kind of money, you're gonna withdraw your money. So I'm gonna show you how to put your information for you to withdraw. So guys, as you can see now, so guys, don't deposit anything here. This website is untrusted. Don't deposit any money. We're just gonna make this money for free. So the next thing that you need to do, you need to consider referring to your friends. Just because after making that 50 rand, you will need 10 rand to withdraw. You will need 10 rand so that your money will be 60 rand, so that you can withdraw. After getting that 50 rand, you will need another 10 rand. And remember, the machine will be will be off. So will be off just because the machine is working for 2 days, guys. For 2 days. Keep it in mind. In 2 days, you'll be having 50 rand, and then you will need 10 rand. That 10 rand, it will come from your referrals. That's why I say that you need to refer some, maybe your friends, so that you can withdraw that 60 rand, guys. That's simple as that. We just want that 60 rand and just go away. We just need data, is what I'm trying to say. So okay, we're gonna like invite friends, and then you're gonna invite your friend. That is a dead copy. Go to WhatsApp and Facebook pages, something like that, and that's easy as that. Okay, as you can see now, there's another income for me to receive. Is 2 rand 87 rand. Yeah, it's 2 rand 87 cent, not rand. I'm just gonna click like receive. As you can see, I just received my 2 rand. So let's see if Okay, now I'm having 26 rand up there. As you can see, guys, I'm having 26 rand there. So okay, I'm done for today. I'm having 26 rand for today. Okay, I've just wait for my other 25 friends so that it can add up with this one, so that it can make 50 rand, so that I can withdraw the money. So guys, I hope you understand. I showed you how to I have showed you how to invite your friends. Also, okay, now is withdrawing. Let me show you how to withdraw. You're gonna click withdraw. As you can see, gonna put your name. Please make sure you put your name on a card. When put your name, what I'm trying to say, put your name. Gonna put like Mr. T blah blah blah. Okay, for me it's Mr. Team Conto, just because I'm Tabi, so Conto, I'm gonna write like this. So please make sure you put the name on your bank account, just because don't accept your payment withdrawal if you're gonna do that wrongly. So don't do that wrongly. I'm just gonna choose your bank. For me it's Capitec, so for now I'm using Capitec, so I'm gonna choose Capitec. Bank account, you're gonna put your bank account, gonna put your email that you use to register on this platform, and then you're gonna click extract, and that way you are done, you're good to go, you can withdraw your money. So guys, if you watch this video and you like this video, please comment down, just because here is the easy money. You don't need to invest anything, I'll leave the link on my description if you want to register. So guys, I'm sorry about the latest video that I posted. I'm sorry about that, just because you didn't even make money, but I was trying to help, guys. So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, guys. I love you guys. I want you guys to waste time. So guys, don't be mad at me. So if you like this video, comment down and say TMK, I like this video, just because this is the way you can make some extra cash. This is TMK money. See you on the next video.